हेलो स्टूडेंट्स, वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल इन्फॉर्मेशन इन्फो। तो कुछ बच्चों के कमेंट्स आ रहे थे कि सोशल साइंस के आंसर की चाहिए जो 21 जनवरी को हुआ था और इंग्लिश मीडियम में। तो इस वीडियो में उसी के आंसर्स हैं और इससे पहली वाली वीडियो में 1 to 30 क्वेश्चंस के आंसर्स मैं बता चुकी हूँ। अब इस वीडियो में नेक्स्ट 30 क्वेश्चंस के आंसर्स होंगे। और जिस दिन आप ये एग्ज़ाम देकर आए थे उस दिन आपके पेपर में आपको जो क्वेश्चन नंबर शो हुए थे सोशल साइंस वाले सेक्शन में, तो वो आपको 1 to 60 नंबर थे। लेकिन अब क्योंकि मैंने ये पेपर सीटेट की वेबसाइट से डाउनलोड किया है तो वहाँ पर क्वेश्चन नंबर डिफरेंट है। तो उसमें 31 से 90 शो हो रहा है। तो क्वेश्चन नंबर देखकर कंफ्यूज मत होना क्योंकि क्वेश्चंस वही है, सिर्फ नंबर्स डिफरेंट है। तो स्टार्ट करने से पहले अगर किसी ने चैनल को सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया है तो प्लीज़ सब्सक्राइब द चैनल। और स्टार्ट करते हैं क्वेश्चन नंबर 61 से। विच गवर्नमेंट इज़ कंसिडर्ड एज अ रिप्रेजेंटेटिव वन? The correct answer is democratic. Option number third. Next question is question number 62. Consider the statements A and B and choose the appropriate option. A part, in India 80% of farmers have barely enough land income to meet their daily needs. B part, in India nearly 2 out of every 5 rural families are agricultural laborer. They depend on other people's fields to earn a living. Many of them are landless and own very small plots of land. तो इस क्वेश्चन का करेक्ट आंसर होगा ऑप्शन नंबर थर्ड, बोथ ए एंड बी आर ट्रू एंड बी इज द करेक्ट एक्सप्लेनेशन ऑफ ए। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज क्वेश्चन नंबर 63. Nirmal goes to auction at 3 a.m. from where he buys vegetables in bulk. He further sells it to neighborhood vegetable sellers. What kind of trader is he? The correct answer is retailer. Option number 1. Moving on to the next question. Question number 64. When the Constitution outlines the division of legislative powers between the center and the states, what is the system of governance called? Correct answer is option number 4, democratic. Next question, 65. Why was 19th century social reformer and women's rights activist Ramabai given the title Pandita? Because she could read and write Sanskrit. This is the correct answer, option number 4. Next question, 66. A teacher wishes to discuss the Indian Constitution recognizes every person as equal. Which of the following examples will most likely to find a place in the discussion? The correct answer is option number 1. People standing in a line to cast their vote in an assembly election. Next question is 67. No citizen shall, on grounds only of religion, caste, sex, place of birth, or any of them, be subject to any disability, liability, restriction, or condition with regard to access to shops, public restaurants, hotels, and places of public entertainment. Which article of the Indian Constitution does the above statement highlighted? So Article 15 is highlighted. Next question. Question number 68. Consider the following statements and identify an instance that relates to criminal law. The correct answer is option number 4. A girl is harassed regularly by a group of boys on her way from home to bus stop. Question number 69. Who chaired the committee that examined the socio-economic and educational status of Muslims in India? Correct answer is option number 2, R. Sachar. Question number 70. The civil rights movement started in USA to demand social security for senior African American citizens. Option number 1 is the correct answer. Question number 71. Scope of geography includes the following. तो इसका करेक्ट आंसर है ऑप्शन नंबर 4, B, C and D. These are the right options. Question number 72. The most important challenge before social science teachers is to. The most important challenge. The correct answer is option number 2. Use interdisciplinary approach. Question number 73. More effective learning opportunities in social science education can be provided by basing the teaching on real life situation. So fourth is the correct answer. Question number 74. A teacher starts her class by discussing a story of a village where all the adults have gathered to choose their leader. This story could be developed to initiate a discussion on which of the following topics? Gandhi Swaraj. No, the correct answer is option number 3, rural administration. Third option is the correct answer of this question. Question number 75. Following are the steps for explaining that people are product of hereditary and environment. Put these in order of discussion. तो इसमें कुछ स्टेप्स दिए हैं ABCD, इनको हमें एक ऑर्डर में लिखना है. सो द करेक्ट ऑर्डर विल बी B, A, D, C. So this is the correct order. So the correct answer is option number 3, B, A, D, C. Now the next question is 76. In a social science textbook, we sometimes come across terms and issues that may lead to some discomfort. What is expected from the teacher in such a situation? Correct answer is option number 3. Teachers should transact the material with sensitivity and firm commitment to respecting dignity of all students. Question number 77. Read the given scenarios carefully. Which among the following provides an opportunity to a teacher to plan a visit to Delhi monuments with her students? So the correct answer is option number 2, A and B. Moving on to the next question, that is 78. The best approach to introduce social inequality to students at upper primary level is through photo essay. Option number 2. Question number 79. As a social science teacher, how would you guide your students about identifying bias within text? Answer will be option number 3, B and C. These are the right option. Question number 80. Which of the following questions provide greater scope for developing critical thinking? इनमें से हमें पॉइंट्स वो वाले सेलेक्ट करने हैं जिससे जो क्रिटिकल थिंकिंग को डेवलप करने में हेल्प करते हैं. तो करेक्ट आंसर विल बी ऑप्शन नंबर 3, C, D, E. Question number 81. Identify an activity which uses inquiry-based learning approach. Option number 2 is the correct answer, visiting a community for data collection. Question number 88. As a social science teacher, which of the following values must be developed among students so that they sustain the energy for critical thinking? The correct answer is option number 4, A, D, E. A, D, E. Next question is 83. Gendering the curriculum can be best understood by option number A and option 1, that is A and B are the right answer. Question number 84. Which of the following is a primary source to understand ancient Indian period? The correct answer is option number 3rd, Kendriya Mahadev Temple. 85th question. When teacher is providing students items like research articles, books, photographs, audio and video recordings, materials and websites, etc. for a upper primary school, the objective would be towards dash. So the correct answer is option number 2, providing background information as a key component of inquiry process. Question number 86. Which of the following assessment practices provides each student with details of descriptive feedback to further the student's learning? Answer is summative assessment. Which of the following questions assesses the conceptual knowledge? The correct answer is 3rd option, C and D. Question number 58. Question number 88. What is the primary objective of open book examination in social sciences? The correct answer is option number 4, to assess skills of reflection and critical thinking. 89th question. Read the following questions. Which of them assesses the understand aspect of the cognitive process? The correct option is option number 1, A and C. A is you are a peasant in Alauddin Khalji's reign and you cannot pay the taxes demanded by the Sultan. What will you do? And C option, suppose the time in Kolkata is 7 p.m. What will be the time in London, which is located nearby Greenwich in the United Kingdom? So these two are the correct answer for question number 89. A and C. Last question is, read the following questions. Which of them assesses the evaluate aspect of cognitive process? So the correct answer is option number 2, B and C.